Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear friends, how are you? I wish everybody is fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Today we are going to start our AutoCAD basic tutorial class 5. Today our topic is layer tools. Layer tools is very important for AutoCAD drafting because in any AutoCAD drawing you can find so many layers. Like as if you have one drawing, you can see their grid line, you can see their wall, you can see their column, you can see their window, you can see their door, lighting fixtures, plumbing, then mechanical, etc., etc. So every item we have to create one layer, because in future if we want to modify or if we want to change anything, easily we can modify or easily we can change. So for any shop drawing or any new drawing, layer tools is very important. So how to create a layer, I just show you. So you can click here, layer properties. You can see here the new bar is come already. Okay, now you can see here what is that on fridge. This is the fridge. So first one is the new layer. If you want to make one new layer, this one is the new layer. After that, this one is the new layer frozen. Then this is the delete layer and active layer, set as current layer. So example, we want to start one drawing. So in the drawing, if you start one new drawing like as civil drawing, you have to create grid line. So I make here one new layer, click new, write grid, grid, grid line. Then what is that color? I can select the color like as I select yellow. Okay, then is the line type. What type of line I want to use? I want to use dash, I want to use dot, or many things I can load also. There are so many line type is here. You can draw as per your requirement, so you can select this one also, up to you. So normally we are using the solid line. I select solid. Then the line width, how much the thickness you want for the line. You can click here, you can see here many thickness of the line. So normally we are using default. If you want more thicker, you can select as per your requirement. So normally we are using default. Okay, default. After that, this one is the transparency. Transparency is what? Transparency is when you print the drawing, you can see some line are very light, some line are very dark. So this transparency is the things. So if you increase the transparency, the line will be thicker, line will be darker, like that. So that one is the grid. So I can make this one is the current layer. I just click here. Otherwise you can double click only, then it will be current layer. Then close, you can see the grid line is my current layer. So I can make grid line L space. Okay, I can copy, come down 3000, 6000, 9000. You see, I write here 3 grid. Then I make here also 3, 3000, 6000, 9000, 12,000. You see, so normally we have to mention the grid. What this one is the X, this one is the Y, XY, because like this is X, like this is Y. Like as this we already have this we already have the symbol where I had to write. So this one is X, this one is Y. So I can use the text tools. I can write here capital X 1. You can make it smaller, CH. Text height is very high here, 1000. So okay, copy x2, x3, x4. We can edit here x2, x3. Okay, normally we do like that. We can use circle also. We can use one circle. Okay, then copy this circle to all that. Copy. Okay, my grid line is ready. So this one is grid line. So next I want to draw here column. So I just go to layer properties, I make one new, I write column column, then I change the color, red color, line type everything as per before, active, close, using the rectangular 300 by 300. Okay, move. Okay, you see now if I it's difficult to, if I want to draw easily, I don't want to select all this grid line, so I goes to the layer tools, the grid line, I make it lock. What's the benefit of lock? If I select now also, I make copy, my lock grid, my lock layer will be not copy. That is the benefit of layer. So I show you. Okay, I already complete the column. So now I want to draw wall, or I want to draw beam, like as I want to draw beam, so I make new layer, beam, 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 double click here, I can change the color also, I can make it blue. Okay, close, I can draw a line, I can make this column to this column. You see now is, if I want to copy, CP copy, my column also moving. That's why I go to the layer, my column, I lock the column. So if you make copy here, you see now the column will not moving. Copy. Actually this one is the benefit for the layer. So once you work, you just unlock your active, which layer you want to use, just this one unlock, or other all layer you just lock, then it easy for you, other layer will be not affected, other layer will be not deleted, or no changes. That's why we are using the new layer. Once we do the shop drawing, once we want to make a new drawing, we make the layer one by one. So this one is the layer. I wish everybody understand what is the importance of layer. So you can make one by one layer, like as this grid line I don't want to see now. Like as example, I complete the beam first. I already completed the beam. So now I don't want to see the grid line. So how can I do? I just go unlock the grid line. I can off, or otherwise I can freeze, up to you. Whatever you want, you just can do it. Then you want to work the grid line, change the grid line again, you just go unfreeze the grid line, you can see the grid line. So this is the benefit of layer tools. So during your shop drawing or during your new drawing, you have to make individual layer for individual item. Now if you want to make the wall, like yes, wall, so you just go there, create a new wall, then you change the color, like as you make the green line. Okay, double click the wall, close, then rectangular, select, offset, this one is the offset. How much offset I want? I want 100 mm. So inside, okay, you don't want to see the grid line, grid unlock, grid off. You see, your wall is ready. So this is the benefit of layer. So I think I wish everybody is understand about the layer tools. So if you think this tutorial is very important for you or is useful for you, just like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends or your younger brother or your colleagues. See you in the next video, bros. My dear friends, wishing you best of luck. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.